household? Dito sa office?
Hindi, yung sa family po.
Family?
Opo.
Ano yan? Kasama ko sa bahay o yung...
Kasama niyo po sa bahay. Para sa PC.
Okay. How many? Oh, just have 5 years old and above. 5 years old and above. Kasama ang ano? Ang mga maid?
Hindi na po.
Family lang. So, mami ko... 1, 2... Dalawa lang. Magkamali tayo. 2. Female and male. Female.
Okay.
Female. Male. Tapos, is there a family member of closer to who works for a fine dining? Wala. Yan. Ano bang course mo?
Fine arts po, para po sa marketing namin.
Okay. Tapos, ano ba?
Yung may sabi na.
These are the qualities of her which I would like you to rate according to how important you should bring to you when you have to choose when to be defined. Okay. Extremely important ang, yun, hindi. Price, definitely. Halos lahat po eh. Pag fine dining, ha?
Opo.
Lahat yan. May I know what Italian restaurant you never on the list to check on the following. Caruso? Saan nga ito? Hindi mo alam? Ay, ito pala. Wala pa. Isa yan.
Pwede nga, ipakiko mo, bigyan ka ng file ng
total monthly income of household earned? Lahat? O ako lang?
Ikaw lang po.
Ako lang?
Opo.
Dito sa office?
Buong income po per month. Kahit
Buong
hindi po dito
income,
sa...
kahit hindi sa
Opo.
office. Socioeconomic classification, oo.
Tatanong na po. When thinking about restaurant, what type of restaurant comes to your mind?
When thinking of restaurant, usually Italian.
Italian. Where did you learn the restaurant you have mentioned? Italian restaurant po.
Italian restaurant. Through friends.
What restaurant advertisement you have seen or heard for the past 6 months? Like Italian restaurant na ad.
Ano yan? Any Italian restaurant? Usually, dun sa ano, it's not an advertisement, it's yung flyers sa
Flyers po.
credit cards.
Tapos, given a chance to eat in a Filipino-Italian restaurant, will you consider it?
Filipino-Italian restaurant?
Yes.
Yes.
So what type of restaurant do you usually prefer to eat?
What type?
Apo.
Oh, what type of restaurant? Fine dining. Like, there's a place. Yung lesson place sa Makati. Ito one.
Tapos for what purposes why you go and eat in a fine dining restaurant?
Number one is the food. Ambiance.
Ambiance.
Oo. Yun.
Yeah. Who else in the family usually eat in a fine dining restaurant?
Nephews.
Yes. What type of restaurant you will not prefer to dine in?
What type of restaurant? Chinese.
Chinese. What restaurant did you last dine in?
There's a place.
What size of serving you usually order?
Size of serving. Usually yung, anong size yun? Yung one order. Anong size yun?
Care? Single serving pot.
Oh,
Single serving. What estimated price did you pay in your last dining?
1.5.
1.5.
Or 2?
For 2. Okay. So if you will see an ad or just a restaurant serving Italian Filipino food, are you going to dine in? Why and why not?
Yes, for curiosity.
Yes. Okay na po.